Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class we have completed our 5th lesson, workbook part. Yes? Now we are going to learn 6th lesson. All of you take out textbook page number 28. Okay? What's the lesson name, children? Mira's Adventures. Mira's Adventures. Okay? So in this, all of you read, listen and say aloud to me. Okay children? See your books everybody. Words with TH sound, soft TH sound. Okay? And words with hard TH sound. Okay? So first one, words with the soft TH sound. Words with the soft TH sound. Okay? All of you say thin, THIN, thin. 3, THRE, 3. Fifth, FIFTH, fifth. Month, MONTH, month. Okay, these are all soft TH sounds. Thin, 3, fifth, month. Okay, next one. Words with the hard TH sound. Hard, okay. Next, all of you say then, THEN, then. Next, brother, BROTHER, brother. Mother, MOTHER, mother. Feather, FEATHER, feather. Okay? Words with the soft TH sound. Thin, 3, fifth, month. Words with the hard TH sound. Then, brother, mother, feather. Okay children? Did you all got it? Okay. Now see, warm up. Everybody look. Is it good to go somewhere alone without telling anyone? Children, is it good without telling anyone? Can you go anywhere? It's not good. You have to tell someone and you have to go outside so that everybody will be not having any worry about you. Yes or no? If you will not say to your mother and go and play outside, your mother will search you. Yes or no? So if you will come back, you will get nice scoldings. So it is not good. You have to say someone that I am going somewhere. Understood children? Okay. Is it good to go somewhere? Somewhere spelling what children? SOME. Some WHERE way. Somewhere. Alone. Alone means single. Single member. If any time single member should not go outside without telling anybody in the home. Okay? Is it good to go somewhere alone? Alone means single. Okay? Alone spelling what? ALONE. Alone. Without, WITH, with, OUT, out, without, telling, TELLING, telling anyone, ANYONE, anyone. Okay? Why or why not? WHY, or why not? WHYNOT, why not? Okay children, if you went alone, if you went means go out, WENT, went, alone means single, and met a strange creature, MET, met a strange, A means one, single, anyone, okay. If you met a strange, STRANGE, strange means which you have seen the first time. If you have not seen that creature anytime. Okay. If you are alone, single member, you went out and see any creature, strange creature, which you don't know about that creature. Okay, surprise, you don't know that creature, about that creature. Strange creature. Okay. Met a strange creature means you met means saw a strange creature. Okay. Creature spelling what? CREATURE. 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 Okay. What would you do? What would, WOULD, would you do? Okay. If you go alone, and met any strange creature, what would you do? What will you do, children? You'll get afraid or not? Yes or no? Yes, see. Read the story. Now you have to read the story of Meera. Meera, and see what happens. What happens? Happens. What happens when she goes out alone? When she goes out alone into the forest. Where she has gone? She has gone to the forest. She has gone into the forest alone without telling her mother. She didn't tell to her mother and went alone into the forest. Okay. Now we are going to know the story about Meera. Okay, children? See. Page number 29. Okay. See that picture there. Okay, Meera and mother. Meera and her mother. It was a bright and sunny morning. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright and sunny, S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Okay. It was bright and sunny morning. Morning, daytime. Okay. Meera, M-E-E-R-A. Meera decided, D-E-C-I-D-D. Decided to go to the forest, F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. While, W-H-I-L-E. While, H-E-R, her mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother was cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking in the kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Okay. It was bright and sunny morning. Okay. Meera decided to go to the forest. Go to the forest. Means Meera wanted to go into the forest while her mother was cooking in the kitchen. While means the time when her mother was cooking in the kitchen, she wanted to go into the forest alone. Okay? She loved going into the forest. She loved, L-O-V-E-D, loved going, G-O-I-N-G, going into the forest. Okay? She likes very much to go into the forest whenever she was free. Whenever, spelling W-H-E-N, when, E-V-E-R, ever. Whenever she was free, means if she has no work to do anything, then she wants to go into the forest. Okay? She would go there. She would, W-O-U-L-D, she would go there, T-H-E-R-E. Whenever she gets free, she likes to go into the forest. She liked to spend time, S-P-E-N-D, spend time, T-I-M-E, time. She liked to spend time walking and chatting, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking and chatting, C-H-A-T-T-I-N-G, chatting. Walking and chatting with the animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, and birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Okay. Whenever she was free, she would go there. Where she wanted to go? She wanted to go to forest. And what she will do? She likes to always chat. She wants to always chat with the birds and animals. Okay. She wants to spend time like that by walking and chatting with the birds and animals in the forest. Understood, children? Next, in the forest, there was a river. In the forest, what's there? There was a river with lots of colorful fish. Colorful spelling, C-O-L-O-U-R, color, F-U-L, colorful fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. Where is the colorful fish? In the river. Where is this river? This river is in the forest. Did you all understand? Okay, next. Meera wanted to look at the water. Meera wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted to look at the water. water is there in the river. River means water only. Yes. So she always wanted to look at the river water. Okay. She went close to the river. She went close to the river. Okay. Know that the river was deep. She did not know that the river was deep. Okay. She put a foot into the water. She put her foot into the water. Okay. It was lovely and cool. When she put her feet into that water, she felt very cool and very lovely. 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 Yes, it was lovely and cool. Okay. But suddenly spelling what, children? Suddenly. Suddenly she slipped. Slipped spelling Slipped. She slipped over a small grey stone. She slipped. Okay, slipping means just falling down like this. Slope. Okay, slipped over a small grey stone. She slipped over a grey, Grey, grey stone. Okay, and fell into the water. She suddenly slipped her feet and fell into the water. Splash! Meera did not know how to swim. Somewhere from under came a purple body covered with stones. She fell down. Okay, she don't know how to swim. Okay, somewhere, spelling what, children? SOME, some WHERE way. Somewhere from under came a purple body covered with stone. Some creature came to her. It was purple colored body. Okay, she looked similar to the stone. That creature looked similar to the stone. Okay, Meera was frightened. 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 Frightened means she got afraid. She frightened by seeing that strange creature inside the river then. Okay, it lifted her up using its tail. That creature lifted whom? Meera. Up with its tail. How did it lifted up? That creature lifted Meera up with its tail. Okay, and lay her down on the sand. Okay, next to the river. It smiled and winked before disappearing into the water. Winked means what? Winked means keeping one eye up closed and one eye open. Okay, that is winked. It smiled and winked like this. Fishes will do no like this. It smiled and winked before disappearing into the water. Disappear means will not be seen anymore. Disappear means it will not be seen anymore. That is disappear. Meera lay on the ground for some time. Okay, Meera lay on the ground. Spelling what? GROUND. Ground for some time. Then then she stood up and started running. She stood, STOOD, stood up and started running, RUNNING, running back home, BACK, back home, HOME, home. After she woke up, she stood up and ran back to the home. Okay, her mother did not scold her. Her mother didn't means did not scold, SCOLD, scold her, but she asked, ASKED, asked her to change her clothes, CHANGE, change her clothes, 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 and get dried, DRY, dried. Okay, her clothes has become wet. So, mother told to go and change your dress. Okay. Later that evening, afterwards, that evening, evening, her mother asked, did you meet the publisher? Did you meet Peblester. What is that creature called? Peblester. What is the spelling? Peblester. Peblester. Mira was surprised. 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 How do you know? She asked. How do you know? She asked. Who asked? Mira asked to her mother. Her mother answered, like you, I loved going into the forest and was also once rescued by the Peblester. What is the meaning of rescued? Rescued means saved. Okay. Her mother, whose mother? Mira's mother, answered, like you, I love going into the forest. Like Mira only, her mother also liked to go into the forest and was also once rescued. She was also once saved by the Peblester. By whom? Peblester. Who helps children? Peblester always helps the children. Okay. Today, when you entered, E-N-T-E-R-E-D, when you entered the house in soaking clothes, soaking means wet, S-O-A-K-I-N-G. Soaking means wet clothes. I thought means T-H-O-U-G-S-T. Thought means I thought, imagined, that you must have met the Peblester. Okay? She put her arm around Mira, A-R-O-U-N-D, around Mira and said, you now have a friend in the scary forest. Scary forest means very frightened forest. In that forest, now you have a friend. Who is that friend? Peblester. Okay, children? We have finished the lesson. Okay. What did you know from this lesson? There was a girl named Mira. She always liked to go into the forest and chat with the animals and birds. Okay. One day what happened? The girl went into the forest without saying her mother, and there she slipped her feet into the river and she was saved by the Peblester. Okay. After coming into the house, she knew that strange creature was Peblester by her mother. Understood? Okay, children, did you all understand the lesson? Okay, today your homework is you have to read the lesson. Okay, you have to read the lesson. Thank you. Have a